Amlan Senapati.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Am I pronouncing your name correctly?
Yes,
Amlan.
sir. Yes, sir. Amlan.
Uh, Amlan.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of Amlan?
Sir, it normally means unfading, means light, unfading means not fading easily.
Senapati is your surname.
Yes, sir.
Nice. You are from Meghalaya, right?
Sir, I was born in Meghalaya, but I was brought up in Assam, sir.
Assam. Currently, you are in Assam. Which place in Assam?
Sir, Guwahati.
Guwahati. Fine. Can you brief your journey? Introduce
Okay,
yourself.
sir, my name is Amlan Senapati. I was born in Shillong, Meghalaya. Then I was brought up in Assam, and I did my schooling from Assam only in Army Public School, Narangi. Then I did my graduation from NIT Silchar in 2018. After that, I've been preparing for engineering service, and this is my fourth attempt and second interview. And my with regards to some hobbies, I like to play basketball. I also listen to music, and I also play musical instruments.
Who is your favorite singer?
Sir, right now, sir, I listen to Sonu Nigam, Arijit Singh, and in Western music, I like sir some bands like Dream Theater.
Okay. You said you completed your engineering in 2018.
Yes,
And
sir.
since then, you have been preparing for IES, right? You are not
Yes,
working
sir.
in it.
No, sir.
So why it took 4 years for you? It is fifth year, fifth attempt or fourth attempt for you?
Sir, this is my fourth attempt, sir.
So why you want to become IES?
Sir, after college, sir, I thought of preparing for engineering service, sir. Then in 2019, I got into interview, sir. After that, sir, some means I was not consistent with my efforts, so it took me so long years that this year I could manage to clear mains, and I'm here for interview, sir.
Don't you think 4 years is too much time to crack IES? Is it really
Yes, sir.
required 3 years, or can we
Sir,
do it in 1.5 year?
yes, sir, we can do it, but sir, I did some mistakes, and I means I could not identify my mistakes, so it took me so long years what I was doing wrong, sir.
What are your mistakes?
Sir, my mistake is that, sir, I means I didn't have proper strategic plan. I was doing the same question again and again. I was not touching the new topics, which were pretty much complex. So my domain was not very wide. It was narrowed. So this year I have worked upon them, and this year I managed to clear. In
What are the
earlier
favorite?
attempts,
Yes,
sir,
carry on. Carry on.
sir, in earlier attempts I could not even clear prelims also, but this year I was fortunate to clear prelims and mains.
What do you believe, hard work or smart work?
Sir, I believe that it is a combination. It should be combination of both, sir. Hard work is must, and sometimes we need to do smart work also. So it should be in balance of both, sir.
What is more important, hard work or intelligence?
Sir, in my case, hard work. I guess hard work. If means after doing hard work, you can gain intelligence in due course of time, sir. You can become intelligent. So first priority should be hard work always. After that, in my case, I believe that.
What are the 3 most important qualities to become an IES officer?
Sir, I think
IES officer.
Yeah, sorry, sir.
Your interest is to become IES officer.
Yes,
what
sir.
are the most important qualities an IES officer should have?
Sir, I believe an IAS officer should be means should be honest. First most thing I believe that an IAS should be honest with his IAS officer should be honest with his work. He should be able to manage in difficult situation. He should be flexible, so that flexible enough to accustom with any situation, and also he should do hard work also, sir. Hardworking, he should be a hardworking person.
Since you are from civil engineering, what are the recent technological developments related to the civil engineering you know?
Sir, I have heard of pre-engineered structures, sir. That are like steel structure only, but one advantage of that structures are that it is economical. We design according to the bending moment. That is, we design for tapered section, but in conventional steel structure, we go for uniform sections. And it is the work done is the rate of work done is also fast. We can construct in a very short period of time.
Last question from my side.
Yes,
You
sir.
are native of Meghalaya. So what is the average rainfall?
Sir, Meghalaya average rainfall, sir. Sorry, sir, I could not remember, sir.
Which area in Meghalaya is having highest rainfall?
Sir, it's Mosiram. Then it's Mosiram. Yes, sir.
You have any idea how much is the average rainfall in an annual?
Annually. Sorry, sir, I could not remember, sir.
No problem. Over to you, Abhinav.
Okay. Hi, Senapati. How are you?
Hello, sir. Sir, I'm good, sir.
Okay. So, Amlan, in various places in Cherrapunji and Mosenlamna, from
Yes,
a
sir.
certain height, you can see Bangladesh. Have you ever seen
Yes,
that?
yes, sir, I've seen that, sir.
Okay. So, what is the formula in surveying from which we can find out the distance of visible horizon when we are standing at H height? Suppose we are standing at H height, and
Yes,
D is
sir.
the distance up to which we can see
Yes,
in
sir.
Bangladesh
Yes,
from
sir.
a cliff in Meghalaya. So, what is the relation between D and H?
Sir, as far as remember, sir, it's 3.87 root H, sir.
Okay. And what is the difference between altitude and elevation?
Sir, altitude, sir, we measure from mean sea level, sir.
Okay.
Elevation, we go for the any reference level benchmark, sir.
Okay, good. So you are saying that altitude is when the reference is mean sea level. That's
Yes,
absolutely
sir.
fine. But my
Yes,
next
sir.
question is mean sea level itself is fluctuating. High tides, low tides, rainy season, and the position of Earth with respect to moon, there is a lot of fluctuation in the sea level. So the thing which itself is fluctuating, how we
Yes,
can
sir.
take this as a reference?
Sir, we go for, sir, average one, sir. Average
Average of how
50,
many years?
average of, sir, I don't remember exactly. I guess, sir, 15. Sir, I don't remember, sir, how many years, sir. But
Okay, that
sir,
is, okay, that is average of 19 years.
okay, 9.
Okay. Amlan, my next question to you, from if we see void ratio or porosity, then what is more important? Which term is more widely used in soil mechanics for finding out the various things, bearing capacity, consolidation? Is it porosity is used or void ratio is used more frequently?
Sir, we generally frequently use void ratio, sir.
Okay.
Sir, because it is the ratio is respect to volume of solid, which remains constant. So it does not change, sir, for a
Okay.
soil.
Okay. Amlan, have you seen the Dauki River in Meghalaya?
Sir, I have not gone there, but I have.
You must have been seen images and videos.
Yes, sir. In videos only, sir.
So why it is the cleanest river? Why it is almost transparent? You can see the seabed. Because naturally what happens that we learn in environment that due to sedimentation, settling velocity, there are some dirt particles which are continuously settling in the water. But why
Yes, sir.
there it is so transparent that even the sea or the bed of the river we can see from our naked eyes?
Sir, may I take some time, sir?
Yes, sure.
Sorry, sir. Sir, sorry, sir. I won't be able to.
Okay. Have you seen the Living Root Bridge in Meghalaya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Living.
So from where the strength is coming, because there is no foundation, no steel, no concrete, still
Yes, sir.
a heavy load it is carrying.
Yes, sir. The stem, it is a bridge between two trees. Their roots means intersected, and after so many years, it became a bridge, sir.
Okay. So now the people are using this to cross
Yes,
the
sir.
river. And usually
Yes,
what
sir.
happens that with time, with age, the strength of the tree or strength of the wood decreases as we study in building materials.
Yes, sir.
So after a certain time, should the government of Meghalaya should stop that bridge and avoid the people should avoid it for using, because anyhow the age with age the stress level or the permissible values of the wood will be going to decrease. So
Yes, sir.
before, if any bad incidents happens here, a casualty happens, should we stop this or it's fine to use it?
Sir, I think, sir, government should initiate a strengthening process so that it can strengthen the roots, and proper maintenance should be done yearly. Sir, because it's a tourist place and many revenue economic sources are dependent upon it. So, according to my view, it should be strengthened, sir. Not should be properly taken care of so that any failure
Okay.
happens.
Okay, Amlan. Okay, I got it. Amlan, usually what is it is said that the civil engineer has two eyes. One is economy and one is safety.
Yes, sir.
So you have to make a building, it should be economical also and it should be safe also.
Yes, sir.
So which eye is more important?
Sir, I believe, sir, safety should be the first priority. After that, sir, we should look upon the, sir, economy.
Okay. And in which seismic zone Meghalaya is?
Sir, we are in zone 5, sir.
Okay. Now let's come to geotechnical engineering. What are the two reasons when we avoid shallow foundation and we go to the deep foundation?
Sir, when the load of the structure is very high and the soil bearing capacity is low, we go for
What is the
shallow.
okay? What is the foundation type of Taj Mahal?
Sir, it's a well foundation.
And the foundation of Burj Khalifa?
Sir, it's piled with rough foundation, sir. Above it's rough.
Oh, good. Amlan, one more question. Do you know that the pile foundation of Burj Khalifa is
Yes, sir.
supplied with electricity 24/7? Every time the current is supplied there. Do you know why the current is supplied to those pile foundations?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Okay, it's fine. Amlan, my last question to you, that what are 5 challenges that we face while making a skyscraper that are not usually faced when we are making a low rise building?
Yes, sir. First challenge we face, according to earthquake perspective, sir, it should be if you are building a high skyscraper, we should duly consider the earthquake resistance building. Sir, second will be, sir, construction, sir, cost will be high, sir, for high rise building, sir.
Okay.
Sir, third will be we need a skill individual to build a building, sir.
So two-story building can be built by unskilled also.
No, sir. We always require a skilled one, but sir, in high-rise building, sir, that's all, sir. I could think of now, sir.
Okay. What about the wind loads?
Yeah, wind loads. Yes, sir. Lateral wind loads will we need to design for lateral wind loads.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Amlan. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Neeraj
Okay,
sir?
Amlan, yes, yes. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Amlan, so I would like to ask you about friction. What do you understand from rolling friction and sliding friction? Difference between them?
Sir, sorry, sir. I could not.
Okay. So what do you understand by centripetal and centrifugal forces?
Yes, sir. Sir, in during the uh, curvilinear motion, sir, there is an outward force which is centrifugal, and opposite to that is a centripetal force, sir.
Okay, so both are balancing each other.
Um, Sorry, sir. I could not, sir. Get it.
Okay. So do you know about stress strain diagram?
Yes, sir, for mild steel.
So for mild steel shows two yield point,
Yes, sir.
upper yield point, lower yield point.
Yes, sir.
So which out of them is the real yield point?
Sir, sir, I believe, sir, we design for the lower yield point. We go for lower.
What is the problem with upper yield point?
Sorry, sir. I couldn't.
Okay. So when we say beam of uniform strength,
Yes, sir.
what is the meaning of that?
Sir, beam of uniform strength means we design according to the stresses present, sir. Means we provide cross section according to the stresses. If stress is high, we design for a larger cross section. If means stress is low, we design for lower cross section.
So can you tell me any application for that? Have you seen where beam of uniform strength is there?
Yes, sir. Sir, in tapered section, sir, we go for beam of uniform strength.
Okay. So you must be knowing about the torsion. There is a solid shaft, there is a hollow shaft.
Yes, sir.
Which shaft you will prefer?
Sir, if the radial constraints are not there, sir, we will go for hollow shaft, and if radial constraint is there, we'll go for solid, sir.
What is radial constraint?
Radial constraint means if the radius, sir, means radius of the shaft, we can change. That means we can change. Then we.
I feel you
Sir,
want to say about radial space available.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so when radial space is available, then we go for.
We go for, sir. Exactly, I cannot remember, sir, but there was area to weight ratio we look upon that, sir. Area for same strength, less material is required for. So I could not remember, sir.
Okay, so do you know about core, kern, or kernel in the column
Sorry, sir.
chapter? In the column chapter, we study a topic core or kern,
Yes,
KER.
sir.
So what is
Yes, sir.
that? What is that?
Means if we apply load in the region of current, then it will be compressive, no tension will come.
So why we don't want any tension?
Sir, generally, if we design for RCC column, they are RCC are weak in tension, sir. So
Okay.
we go for compression force, sir.
So you said RCC are weak in tension. So if I ask you about mild steel, is it weak in tension, strong in tension as compared to compression?
Sir, sorry, sir. I couldn't hear.
If we take the example of mild steel,
Yes, sir.
so mild steel is weak in tension or strong in tension as compared to compression.
Sorry, sir. I could not tell.
Okay, so do you have any idea about principal stresses?
Yes, sir.
So what are those? How you will define them?
Sir, these are the maximum stresses which are acting, sir. Where and the shear in the principal plane, the shear stresses are zeros. These
Okay,
are the normal stresses, sir.
okay, in the principal plane, shear stresses are zero, but at the plane of maximum shear, normal stresses are not zero.
Yes, sir.
Why that partiality is there?
Sorry, sir. I could not tell, sir.
Okay, so do you know about the difference between truss and frame?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, in truss, we go for, sir, hinge joint, sir, and in frame, we normally go for rigid joint, sir.
Okay, so one more question from my side is, you must be knowing about PERT and CPM.
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between them?
Sir, PERT is, sir, something we go when we are doing some research work. It is probabilistic approach, and CPM we go for repetitive work, sir.
Okay. What else? This is one difference.
Sir, that I could only think of now, sir.
Okay, do you know about crashing of networks?
Sorry, sir.
Crashing of networks.
Crashing of rainfall, sir.
Crashing of networks.
Oh, networks, yes, sir.
What is that?
The crashing of network, we go when we generally want the optimum time and optimum cost involved, sir. We do crashing, sir.
So what we do in the crashing to make it optimum?
Sir, we generally reduce the project duration. Means we increases the resources and reduces the project duration, sir.
Okay, over to you, sir. Fine from my side.
Okay, sir. Hello, Amlan.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So I've seen your profile. You're very much into music.
Yes, sir.
So you are a drummer or a guitarist? What's your?
Sir, I play drums, sir.
Drums. So can you tell me the different types of drums we are using?
Yes, we go, sir. Generally, drums are known as percussion instrument. Percussion instrument are those in which we generally hit and the sound comes. So that type of percussion instrument are congo, tabla, then octapad. Octapad is also there, sir. These are only which I could think of now, sir.
So you play tabla or?
Sir, I play the drums, sir. In drums, sir, there are around five membranes, sir, that I play, sir.
Okay, so you might have heard about various music festival that is happening in Assam. So can you tell me one main music festival that is happening?
Assam, sir, here in Assam, sir.
Zero is it then? I think in Arunachal.
Arunachal, yes, sir. Zero that is also popular, sir. Sir, in Assam, sir, normally here in Assam, sir, some normal events, sir, we introduce the music there only, sir. Not that some particular event is I could think of now, sir.
So you played in college, not in like professional one?
Yes, sir. I played in college and school days.
So is there any engineering marvel that you're seeing nearby to your places? Any bridge?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here, sir, Bogibeel is there. That is the longest railcam road bridge in India. And sir, Dhola Sadia, Bhupen, that is also known as Bhupen Hazarika Setu. Sir, here only, sir, in Upper Assam, sir.
Have you heard about Saraighat Bridge?
Yes, sir. Saraighat Bridge is in Guwahati, connecting Lower Assam to
Lower
Guwahati.
Assam. So what's the speciality about that Saraighat Bridge?
Sir, it is a specialty, sir. It is a, sir, a truss bridge, sir. I mean, steel truss bridge, sir.
Or
And
any other speciality like India's first something? Any remarkable thing about that bridge?
okay, sir. Sir, here in Saraighat, sir, Battle of Saraighat was held, sir. That Amlan kingdom that ruled for 600 years, sir. Sir, yes, sir. That only I could take home, sir.
Okay, fine. Now we were talking about railway tracks. So have you seen a railway track cross section? It's a railway
Yes,
track
sir.
cross section. We are using an I-beam.
Yes.
What will
Yes,
happen if
sir.
I'm changing that I-beam to a circular cross section? What will happen?
Sir,
I'm changing that
I-beam.
I-beam. Yes.
Sir, I-beam, the moment of inertia is high, sir, in I-beam compared to circular one. So, sir, circular one would not be able to resist the load, sir, because it is good in circular one, good in shear, but it would be able to resist the bending which comes due to the load.
So what's the difference between a bending moment and a torsion?
Bending moment, sir, is along the, sir, along, it's perpendicular to the longitudinal axis of a material, whereas torsion is along the longitudinal axis of member.
Fine. Let us suppose if you are having a twisting scenario in an I-beam cross section and a circular cross section, in which case we'll be able to have more twisting or more polar moment of inertia.
Sir, generally for twisting we go for circular section, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what do you mean by cavitation?
Yes, sir. Cavitation is observed when the when the pressure becomes lower than the vacuum pressure. So cavities form.
So what
Yes,
will
sir.
happen after, like, let us suppose if the pressure is below the atmospheric pressure, then what will happen?
Sir, generally we see in case of, sir, water pipes, sir, pressure goes under vacuum pressure and cavities form. After that, the water hammer effect comes into place. Sir.
Okay. So
yes,
how
sir.
what could be the possible remedy for that if you want to avoid cavitation?
Sir, we need to introduce some valves like air inlet valves so that the pressure won't go below vacuum pressure.
Okay. Could you let me know what is buoyancy?
Yes,
What
sir.
is
Sir,
buoyancy?
buoyancy is an upward force exerted by fluid when we, yes, it is an upward force, sir, exerted by fluids.
Okay. So let us suppose if you're having a copper and a wood, same cross section, in which case
Yes,
you'll be having a more buoyant force. Same cross section,
sir.
same wood.
Sir, wood, sir.
Why?
I believe. Sir, same buoyant.
The volume is
Sorry,
same. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Could you let me know what is boundary layer?
Yes, sir. Sir, boundary layer is that region where boundary layer in the region of boundary layer, in the upper point, the shear stress becomes 0, sir, and so that one.
Okay, why boundary layer is being formed? Are we able to see that boundary layer through our naked eyes, or what is the reason for boundary layer to form?
Sir, due to resistance of the side walls, sir.
Okay, that means viscosity, right?
The viscosity, sir. Yes.
Okay, so let us suppose if you are using a fluid over a plate, right, and the temperature is around normal room temperature. Second scenario, same fluid. Now we increase the temperature like 4 times. What could be the effect on the boundary layer?
Sir, if we increase the temperatures, viscosity will decrease, sir. So the boundary layer will expand, sir. I believe, sir. It will be
In
more.
the second case. In second case.
Where we rise the temperature, sir.
Okay. So that means if you are decreasing the viscosity, the boundary layer thickness will be very high, according to you.
Yes, sir, according to this.
Sure.
Sorry, sir, I'm unable
Okay.
to simulate, sir.
Let us take one more example.
Yes,
Let us suppose I'm having water and I'm having honey. You might have heard about honey,
yes.
right? Same volume of water and honey is being flown. So which will be forming a larger boundary layer? Thickness wise.
Sorry, sir, I cannot.
Okay. One last question from my side. You might have heard about Bernoulli's equation, Bernoulli's theorem. What do you mean by that?
Yes. Bernoulli's theorem, sir, it is it states that energy remains constant, sir. If we increase the pressure energy, then the energy due to velocity decreases, sir.
Okay. What about potential? There is no potential energy?
Yes, sir. Potential energy is also means a summation of potential energy plus pressure energy plus velocity head energy is constant.
Okay. Okay. One last. There are 7 sisters you might have heard about. Can you
Yes,
name
sir.
that 7 sisters?
Yes, sir. Sir, Assam, sir, Meghalaya, sir, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay.
And
There is
Tripura.
one state. Okay. Tripura ends in 7 sisters.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir. I could think of that only, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Sikkim is known as the brother of 7 states.
Sikkim is known as the brother of the 7 sisters.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
As far as I remember.
Okay, fine. Okay, that's it from my side, sir.
Let's come back to the feedback, Amlan. We'll give you the feedback.
Yes,
Technical interview is over. What I felt is,
sir, may I write it, sir? Sir,
yeah, you can. You'll get
sir,
the video.
second.
You did not to write. You will get the video also.
Oh.
We will send you the entire video to you. Okay, so you have cleared prelims, right? How many marks
Yes,
you are
sir.
expecting?
Sir, around 250 to 245, sir.
You have cleared mains also. How many marks you are expecting?
Sir, around 390 to 400.
So close to 400 you are expecting, right?
Yes, sir.
That confidence is not seen. Clearing prelims and mains itself is a very good achievement, but you are not looked at confident. Seeing, you also studied 4 years of engineering, and then you took another 4 years for your preparation.
Yes, sir.
So you must be very, very strong in technicals, which is not shown in your attitude. That's where I observed.
Yes, sir.
So you have to improve, and you have to be confident when you are saying something. Maybe that is
Yes,
not
sir.
there because of lack of the conceptual grip on this.
Yes,
So
sir.
if possible, try to improve those concepts better. I'm not sure whether technically what you answered correct or not, but
Yes.
in appearance wise, you are looking little underconfident.
Okay, sir.
That is one area to improve. Second, sometimes you are not clear. Your audio is not clear. You are not talking so clear. You are like murmuring sometimes.
Yes,
Maybe
sir.
that is you not comfortable in English. If you are not comfortable in English, then you
Yes,
can
sir.
ask in the beginning of the session only. You can ask the panel that, can I use your regional language, or can I use to speak in Hindi or not?
Okay, sir.
So these are the areas I observed where you need some improvement. Coming to the
Okay.
attire, I think better if you can have the tie.
Yes,
you are
sir.
not with tie. So in the final interview, try to have that and wear black shoes and also other things. So that's all from my side. Technical, Abhinav sir will give you the feedback.
Okay.
Hi,
Thank you, sir.
I am Amlan.
Hello, sir.
Have you seen me earlier also?
Yes, sir.
कहाँ पे?
Sir, YouTube में, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Amlan, you are very polite. You are very humble. But as sir has mentioned ना, that थोड़ा communication में flow नहीं आ रहा है ना? थोड़ा रुक रुक के आप बोल रहे हैं. बाकी टेक्निकल आपका सही है. आप एक ही चीज का ध्यान रखना. Already in among thousands of the students, you are in the top 500 students, as you have cleared the mains also. So confidence होना चाहिए. Might be someone say you are not knowing, it's fine na. They are taking your personality test na. So that is a complete personality. If they only if they only want to judge your technical, then they take one more exam of 200 marks. Instead of that, they are taking personality test. That means they want to see certain other qualities also. Your positiveness, your leadership qualities, or sometimes your that some questions are coming to you and continuously 5 questions came to you and suppose you are not able to answer, तो कहीं आप उससे collapse तो नहीं कर जा रहे हैं. ये सब चीजें वहां पे जज होंगी. That is why this is the biggest reason that sometimes what happens, एक स्टूडेंट से 10 क्वेश्चंस पूछे, उसने 8 करेक्ट दिए, उसको कम मार्क्स, लेकिन अदर स्टूडेंट को 10 क्वेश्चंस पूछे, ही हैज ओनली गिवन 5 करेक्ट, बट उसको ज्यादा मार्क्स मिले, बिकॉज बाकी चीज भी जज होंगी ना. तो ये आप वहां पे देखना. बाकी सब सही है. ऑल द बेस्ट.
थैंक यू, सर.
आपके कोई डाउट्स हमसे?
सर वही सर, मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस सर कैसे अभी लाए सर?
मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आ रहा. एक बच्चा प्रीलिम्स क्लियर कर गया, मेंस क्लियर कर गया, जिसमें इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज में आईआईटी वाईआईटी सारे टॉप क्रीम ऑफ द कंट्री एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, उसको कॉन्फिडेंस और क्या चाहिए? अब क्या भगवान आके आपको कॉन्फिडेंस देंगे क्या? सिविल में हाई टफेस्ट पीपल आर क्रीम ऑफ द इंडिया गिविंग इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज, उसमें आपने प्रीलिम्स क्लियर कर दिया, मेंस क्लियर कर दिया, अब इससे ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस क्या चाहिए?
हाँ सर, मतलब ये गैप ईयर सर, मुझे मतलब वो क्वेश्चन मतलब थोड़ा उससे थोड़ा ज्यादा अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट लगता है सर.
मैं तो पढ़ाता हूँ यूट्यूब पर, और आईआईटी से एमटेक किया, मेरा भी 5 इयर्स में बीटेक था, मेरे को तो अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हुआ.
जी सर, वो अभी सर बढ़ाना पड़ेगा सर.
हाँ, बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. नहीं, आप इतना चीज अचीव कर चुके हो कि वो होना चाहिए. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट शुड नॉट लुक ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट, बट वो ऑलरेडी आप इतना अचीव कर चुके कि वो होना चाहिए.
जी.
ठीक है. बाकी एक ईमेल आपके पास आएगा, आप उसको एक्नॉलेज कर देना, सो दैट वी आर नॉट सेंडिंग द वीडियो टू एनी रैंडम पर्सन. आप उसको एक्नॉलेज कर देंगे तो ये आपको रॉ वीडियो मिल जाएगा. ठीक है.
जी. ओके सर.
ओके.
Okay, all the best. All the best,
ऑल
Amlan.
द बेस्ट.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.